Hi, I'm Andrew Schur, Solutions Director at Intellective. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can improve your user productivity in Salesforce and save on storage costs using Unity. Intellective Unity for Salesforce gives your users access to all of your enterprise documents from multiple different content systems, IBM systems like FileNet, Box, SharePoint, OpenText, and more, right from within Salesforce, instead of going back and forth between Salesforce and other applications. It also cuts your storage costs by archiving Salesforce documents to external, less expensive content repositories, while also making them instantly accessible to your other enterprise applications. Let's see how it works. Salesforce is where your users get work done, but you also have relevant documents in other systems. Unity for Salesforce automatically shows you those documents right from your Salesforce accounts, cases, contacts, and other entities. So I have an account open here in my Salesforce system. I see my normal Salesforce account information, but what about related documents in other systems like SharePoint, Box, FileNet, other ECMs? Well, they're right here on my Documents tab. So without leaving Salesforce, Unity shows me all documents related to this account, regardless of what system they live in. So these are all Burlington Textiles documents, but I can filter down to find exactly what I'm looking for. So this document, for example, lives in FileNet, but I can open it right from Salesforce. So I can update document metadata. I could change customer name, for example, if I wanted to. I could create a new document version, and I can do all this from Salesforce, even though this document lives somewhere else. So I don't need to pull up 2 or 3 different document repositories and run the same search in a couple different places. Unity for Salesforce automatically shows me all relevant documents with no extra steps. So this is a true enterprise search, any document related to anything in Salesforce living in any of my document repositories. So what else does Unity for Salesforce give you? Well, cloud storage is expensive and you have other enterprise content management and line of business systems. What if you could keep using Salesforce but store content in your own systems? With Unity, it happens automatically. So let me show you. So let's add a new claims document. So here's my document. But this document's content doesn't actually live in Salesforce. It's stored in an enterprise content management system in my environment. For this demo, it's FileNet, but it could be SharePoint, could be OpenText, could be something else. So Unity for Salesforce automatically moved the content into my ACM system. It looks the same to me. I'm still able to access it and use it, but I'm no longer paying to store this file in the more expensive cloud storage. If I have gigabytes or terabytes of documents, that can be a significant cost savings. Also, will I have full access to these documents in Salesforce? Because they're in my enterprise system, I can apply governance and retention rules to them, and I can expose them easily to my other enterprise apps. So I just showed you how Unity for Salesforce improves user productivity by enabling users to search, view, and transact within Salesforce on all relevant documents, regardless of where they're stored in the enterprise, instead of going back and forth between various applications. I also showed you how Unity for Salesforce saves you money by storing Salesforce content on other, less expensive content repositories. If you have these challenges, reach out to us at intellective.com to get started with Unity for Salesforce.